In this video, we are going to discuss about Phasor, circuit analysis. So this is a given circuit. You need to find the you have to assign the Phasor current. So in order to assign the Phasor current, so let me take this is I4 and this is I20 and this is I10 and this is IL. The current flowing through here is I5, okay, and this is IC, okay. And let me assume the IC here, IC and I5 value is same, and I have to take it as 1, magnitude as 1 and phase as 0, okay. So if that is the case, the voltage across this one is VC, right? This is VC, so VC is equal to IC divided by IC into minus J10, okay. So 1 of 0, so this I can write it as 1 of 0 I can write it as 1, right, into minus J10, okay. That is nothing but minus J10. So this is 10 of minus 90 degree, okay. That should be measured in terms of volt. So similar way I can write what is V5, the voltage across this one. So what is V5? V5 is equal to I5 into 5, right? So 1 of 0 into 5, that is nothing but 5 of 0. That is also measured in terms of volt. Okay, so what is VL now? What is VL? VL is equal to, so the VL is equal to, this is the total voltage, that is equal to V5 plus VC, right? So 5 of 0 plus 10 of minus 90. So this is nothing but 5 minus J10, okay. So 5 minus J is 10, using the calculator, if we calculate, you get that is root of 5 square plus 10 square, and tan inverse of minus 10 divided by 5. So if you calculate, you can easily calculate with the help of calculator. So what is VL now? VL is equal to 1118 minus 63.4 degree. So I have already discussed in one video. So you have to go to the complex mode using the calculator, and in that you have to type minus 5 minus 10i, okay. So after that you have to click shift plus, so okay. So if you shift plus and shift equal to, you will get the magnitude value and the phase value, okay. So find out the value of VL. So now what is the value of IL? What is IL now? IL is equal to VL divided by J5, right? VL divided by J5. So this is nothing but 11.18 minus 63.4 degree divided by 5 of 90 degree, okay. So if you solve, you will get 2.236 minus 153.4 degree. Okay. So this in terms of a rectangle form, you can write it as minus 2 minus j. Okay, that is in terms of amps, right? So I have find out IL and I5. So from this you can find the value of I10. So what is I10 now? I10 is equal to IL plus I5. So what is IL? IL is minus 2 minus j, and I5 is plus 1. Right? This is nothing but minus 1 minus j. So what is minus 1 minus j is in polar form, that I can write it as root of 2 minus 135 degree. Okay, so I find out the value of I10. So from this I can find the value of V10, right? So what is V10? V10 is equal to I10 into 10, right? I10 into 10. So what is 2 root 2? So 10 into root 2, 10 into root 2 is otherwise I can write 10 into minus 1 minus j. That is nothing but minus 10 minus 10 j. Okay. So I found out the value of so what is minus 10 minus that is nothing but 14.14 minus 135 degree, in terms of volts, right? So we find out the value of V10. The next I need to find the value of V20, right? So what is V20? V20 is equal to V10 plus VL. Okay. So what is V10? V10 is minus 10 minus 10j, and VL is plus 5 minus j10. Okay. So this is nothing but minus 5 minus salty j. So what is minus 5 minus salty j? Minus 5 minus salty j. Minus 5 minus salty j. That is 20.61. Angle is minus 104.03. Okay. So find the value of V10, V20. Next you find the value of I20. I20 is nothing but V20 divided by 20. Okay. So what is this is nothing but 20.61 angle minus 104.03 divided by 20. So if you solve, you will get the answer is otherwise you can solve it like this also: minus 5 minus 20j divided by 20. So if you solve, you will get minus 0.25 minus j. Okay. This is equal to 1.03 of minus 104.03. Right? Okay. So I have found out the value of I20. So after that I need to find the value of I4, right? So what is I4? I4 is equal to I20 plus I10, right? So I20 is what is I10? I10 is minus 1 minus A. This is equal to minus 1.25 minus 2J. So what is the answer? You get minus 1.25 minus 2I. That is 2.35 and this minus 122.0. Okay. So next you need to find the value of V4. So what is V4? V4 is I4 into 4. So you multiply 4 with minus 1.25 minus 2J. You will get V4 is equal to minus 5 minus J8. Okay. So this is nothing but minus 5 minus 8I. This 9.43 and this is minus 122.0. And next you need to find the value of Vs, right? So what is Vs? Vs is equal to V4 plus V20. V4 is minus 5 minus 8. V20 is what is V20? V20 is minus 5 minus 20J. This is equal to minus 10 minus 28 and J. So something but 29.73 109.7 degree. So this is in terms of volts, volt, and this is in terms of amps. So how to draw the a phasor diagram? So I have taken the reference as IC, right? IC and IPI is equal to 1 of 0. So you have to take this one. Okay. So this is nothing but IC and I5, and this value is 1 and the phase value is 0. So this is a 0 degree. Okay. So next I need to find VC. What is VC? VC is 10 of 10 minus 90 degree. So this is minus 90 degree. Okay. So this is your VC, and the angle between these two is 90 degree. Minus 90 degree. Okay. So next V5. What is V5? V5 is 5. Okay. So this is your V5. And the angle is so this is your V5. Okay. Okay. So what is the next one? The next one is VL. So VL is nothing but 11.18 and the angle is minus 63.4. So you have VL somewhere out here. Okay. This is your VL and it is 11.18 and the angle between these two is minus 63.4 degree. So next I need to find the value of IL. IL is 2.236 minus 153.4. Okay. 2.236. Okay. So here you may have IL here somewhere out here, right? So this is your IL and the angle is 153.4. Okay. So next one is I4. I4 is 2.35. So this is your I4, and the angle is minus 122. And the next one is V4. V4 is also here, there is 9.4743. So this is V4 and 9.43. Okay. So since the value of magnitude of V4 is greater, I can write this is V4, okay, and the current is I4, okay. And the magnitude also very less, right? I4 magnitude. Okay. Next, VS. VS is 29.73. This is your VS, and it is 29.73, and the degree is minus 109.7 degree. Serious. What is I20? IL. So what is IL? IL I have already termed. I10. I10 you see. So for IL and I10 it is minus 135, right? And this value is less than root 2 is less than this one. So and the angle of I10 and V10 are both are same, right? So where is 135? So 135 is somewhere here, right? So this is your V10, and the angle of this one is nothing but 135, right? Minus 135. 135, and here we have I10, right? So the next one is V20. So what is V20? V20 is minus 104. So minus 104 is so minus 104 is somewhere here, right? So this is nothing but minus 104. That is V20, right? So this is V20. And what is I20 value? I20 also same, but if you see, the angle is the magnitude is very magnitude is very small. Okay. So in this here the V5 value is greater than this I5, right? So I can write so this is V5 5. Okay, and you know that I have to take the VS as a reference point. Okay, so we know that the VS value is nothing but what is VS? VS value is 29.73 minus of 109.7. So you have to take this one as 0. So if I want to take this one as my reference, so you have to take it as 0. So therefore you have to add 109 with all this value. Okay. So if I add 109 with all this value, the phasor diagram will look like this. Okay. Now I'm going to take this one as VS and this is my reference point. So if I take this one as a reference point, after that you have V20, right? So V20, VC, VL. You have V20, VC, right? Then you have VL. Next you have VC, is nothing but IC or I5. So and below this one to have V4, V10 and IL. So you have V4, V10, right? V10 and you have IL. So this is how we have to draw the phasor diagram, and here you have I20 and here you have I4 and I10, right? I4, I10, I4, I10, this is I20, right? So this is how we have to draw. Okay.